I'm Shahrukh Khan. Today I will show you that how to create thought path and create a dynamic path this system. Okay. So first I created a player and this player name player, and under this player I give their rigid body 2D and collider 2D. Obviously it will be circle collider. Okay, and then I just create a user controller script. Okay, just simply open it and you see there I just use here DOTween. So you can simply go to the Google and type their Unity Asset Store and search there a DOTween. Okay, you just download from there and install it. So then I just give this script's name is user controller, and I will create a static. Okay, and then I give their player movement speed, spawn movement object, act, click, spawn, start, move, over, blah blah blah. Okay, so here is my path and path pointer. First initialize this path list, and also I give their start move is false. Then when I press the button on my mouse, then click spawn true, and up and click spawn false. And when click spawn true, so it start move for true. Okay, then move. Okay, so second is I just assign there a mouse position. So simply input mouse position and z position, obviously 10, because my camera position is -10. Okay, then I just simply assign there a mouse position from the skin to world point position. Okay, the next is raycast targeting system. Okay, then I just simply type take this position from this raycast hit physics, and then if it's found there any collider and object, then I simply stop. Okay, you don't spawn it. Okay, and if you do not find any collider, then I say okay, you just spawn. Okay, so that's the way. Okay, then this is my gizmo. It's a very simple way. Just create their loop and index and draw there. Okay, and finally is the movement step. So first I assigned their position array. Oh, simply is array. Okay, array. Okay, so and array count. So where I get this array, so this is the path. So when I spawn this position, this mouse click position, then I add there this position. Okay, this position is vector 3 type variable. Okay, I put there a list, and then I loop there and set up there in this path. Okay, then player position, obviously do local path, and I give there a simply path and duration time, and then it's obviously linear path type will be linear, and then I just take it from the callback system, type on waypoint change, and I initialize there a function from get a call value. Okay, then I just simply rotate. Okay, rotation and rotate this player rotation and the correct waypoint. Okay, then if I done the finish position, then on complete I just say movement finished. Okay, path clear. Okay, start movie start. So one more thing is the wrong. So I create there a path pointer. Okay, first let's get initialize. Okay, it's done. Okay, then what can I do now? So there path. Okay, so path dot add their edge. So okay, go to the Unity, and if I run this game and draw there something like this, it's spawn there, but it's not delete. Okay, store there. So what can I do now? So I added there, okay, in the list, and then when it's finished, because you see there my movement finish and movement finished. Okay, so then I do if path pointer count length 0 for each, okay, game object g in path pointer g dot destroy g. Okay, then I okay, not there, just there, sorry. Okay, dot clear, sorry, clear. Okay, cool. So it cut 3 to 1 direction. So hit to the play again, and you can see blah 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 blah. Okay, moving. Okay, done, perfect. So here you go. So I think you understand that. So thank you for watch, and if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and please support me. And if you have any problem, so just comment in my comment section. I will try to fix it. And obviously recently I published another new video. If you don't know how multiplayer games work, simply go there and look. Okay, thank you.